Bathroom, kitchen, basement, terrace and roof are among the most sensitive parts of the living space due to the frequent occurrence of moisture, mold and mildew, which impairs the aesthetic appearance of rooms and negatively affects the health of people staying there. For that reason, whether we are constructing a new building or solving the waterproofing issue in a building already in use, choosing the right system solution is essential. Hydroceramic system for waterproofing and laying ceramics is a reliable, quality and cost-effective solution, which provides safe and long-lasting protection against water and moisture penetration. In order to proceed with the installation of the hydroceramic bathroom system solution, the following needs to be completed first. All works on plumbing and drainage installation. Works on electrical installation, ventilation installation, heating installation. Built-in joinery. After good preparation, works may commence on the installation of the hydroceramic bathroom system. Before starting work on the installation of the hydroceramic bathroom system solution, it is necessary to prepare the adequate tools. When performing works, the contractor should have appropriate equipment. Safety work suit, safety shoes, cap and safety gloves. The process of waterproofing installation begins with the application of the BK Ultra Prime substrate using a long-haired roller or brush. BK Ultra Prime Universal Substrate is a transparent substrate for external and internal use, which improves adhesion, equalizes absorbency, and binds dust particles. After application, the substrate should be left to dry for about 4 hours. Once the drying period is over, waterproofing coating is applied. In this example we are using BK Hydros Top 2, a 2-component flexible, waterproofing and polymer cement coating for horizontal and vertical protection of surfaces from moisture. The preparation of the mass is carried out by adding component A into liquid component B. The mass must be homogenized using an electric mixer. The first step of using waterproofing coating BK Hydros Top 2 involves its application on the varied joints of the contact surfaces. BK tape elastic waterproofing tape is pressed into the first layer of the BK Hydros Top 2 coating, which is applied on the joints of contact surfaces. Then a second layer of the waterproofing coating BK Hydros Top 2 is applied along the tape. Waterproofing coating is applied on the remaining surfaces by joining parts with the waterproofing tapes. After 12 hours of drying, the brush is used to apply the second layer of the waterproofing coating by a cross procedure, under a 90-degree angle relative to the first one. The total thickness of the coating should be around 2 millimeters. The waterproofing coating is left to dry for 1 day, after which the tiles are glued. First Superfix BK 160 Superflex, flexible adhesive for indoor and outdoor use, is applied on the surface, protected by the waterproofing coating. The adhesive is obtained by gradually adding the powder to the water, in accordance with the instructions for the preparation, and mixing with electric mixer, until achieving full homogenization. It is necessary to leave the mass to rest around 10 minutes, and then mix it once more. The glue is applied using a notched stainless trowel on the substrate, on which the tiles are glued in order to ensure safe and consistent thickness of the adhesive. Except for ceramics and granite, it is also used for marble, glass mosaic, natural and artificial stone, and for gluing tile to tile. It finds its use in gluing large tiles and underfloor heating systems. It is characterized by an excellent adhesion, no slipping on vertical surfaces and extended open working time. Tiles are then installed. Regarding the installation of tiles in the interior, it is necessary for at least 65% of the tile surface to be covered with adhesive. Adhesive action in normal conditions is 30 minutes. Prepared adhesive is applicable for about 2 hours. Under normal conditions, the drying time before grouting is at least 24 hours, while 2 to 3 days is necessary for large tiles. Grouting of tiles is the next step. BK Fugimol is a high-quality, water-repellent tile grout mass. It is intended for joints up to 10 millimeters wide and offers a choice of 24 shades. To obtain optimal grout, powder is gradually added to the water in accordance with the preparation instructions and mixed with electric mixer until complete homogenization. The mass must be left to stay around 5 minutes, and then it must be stirred once more. The prepared mass should be used within 1 hour. Channels between tiles intended for grouting must be clean and without remnants of hardened glue when gluing the tiles. Using a rubber spatula and rubber trowel, apply the grout at an angle of 45 degrees relative to the joint line. The joints must be well filled with the grout. It is used for indoor and outdoor spaces, on horizontal and vertical surfaces. It is resistant to the occurrence of mold, flexible and suitable for underfloor heating systems. After 30 minutes, the tiles are wiped with a damp sponge or cloth diagonally, and then polished with a dry cloth. A small pedestrian load is allowed after a minimum of 8 hours of drying, and it is necessary to wait 7 days until full passability. In the final phase of installation of the hydroceramic system for waterproofing and laying ceramics, Bekament silicone, sanitary silicone mass for sealing joints, is applied between ceramic tiles in corners where the wall joins the floor, and for sealing joints between tiles and sanitary facilities in the bathroom. It is resistant to aging, shrinkage, cracking, mold, UV rays and atmospheric influences, and it does not change color. The space is now safe with long-term protection against water and moisture penetration. Its furnishing and adjustment can be started according to one's own needs and taste. Bekament. The power is in our hands.